one was the first one. I'm happy, happy, happy. But I think the orientation should be this way. Well, you know what? It can be hung either way. Kind of this way. You know what? That kind of looks like a crow or a raven, or maybe a, what is that dinosaur? Pterodactyl. But anyway, I love, love, love the lines in this. Okay, now we're on to the mud and no mud, which you can see this is not great colors. It almost turned brown on me. So I wasn't happy, so I did it in the same colors all over again and got it much brighter. This almost looks like a fairy wing, and that almost looks like a leaf to me. This is the one I did at the beginning, and I'm very, very happy with this one. Not sure which way the orientation could go, because that looks like a flower, but when you turn it this way, this looks like a flower. So, and you could turn it this way too. But I'm very, very happy with the lines. Now, all of those were done with the paint to Floetrol mixture, which was 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. This was my first one with the thicker version, which was 1 part paint to 1 part Floetrol, even in the base coat, which made it a little hard to blow out. So I got to work on that, but I'm very, very happy with the lines. Now this one was done with the blue one, which is the WO2. It's got teeth on it. Now I'm going to be honest, the other one that I did, I didn't get what I wanted, because you can see canvas right here and right here. So this one's going to be poured over. Now this one was done with the number 4, with the WO4. I got to practice with that one some more too, but this one was also done with the Floetrol and paint 1-to-1 ratio. So I hope that you have enjoyed watching my videos. I will go back to it eventually. I'm not sure when, but so I'm going to have to say overall my favorite ones are this one, okay? All the colors for them are listed down in the description, because this is the last one I did with 1 part paint, 3 parts Floetrol. And this one is one of my favorites too. So you tell me down in the comments which one was your favorite. Which one do you want to not like? Because I mean, there's some, I don't like this one at all. So tell me down in the comments which one was your favorite. I will do a screenshot at the end of this, right after me, showing them by number. Well, not a screenshot, photographs of them by number, so you can tell me which one you like the best. So thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great weekend. Since this is going up Saturday, don't forget tomorrow 12 noon Central I go live. Okay, so all I can say is bye for now, and stay tuned for the photographs.